Good morning, everyone. As you see here, I have figures that I have drawn, no? So, these figures are, let us say, they are chocolate bars. And the first figure is divided into two, no? And we assume that these three bars that I have are same bars in terms of its size, no? The rectangular bar first is divided into two regions. One is shaded, the other one is unshaded. And this is the unshaded, the relationship of the unshaded and the entire bar. That is, we have two subdivisions. We write it as our denominator, and the shaded region is written as our numerator. So we have 1/2. The second figure, I divided it first, no? Here, as seen in the first figure. Then, the other half is subdivided again into two. And here, you can see the other half is divided into two. I shaded this portion here, which is simply 1/2 of the first figure. So how many subdivisions here all in all before I shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 here as our denominator. How many are shaded? There are 2. So 2/4 is the fraction, the name of the fraction. The third part here, still I started dividing it into two equal parts as I have presented in the first figure. Then, I have divided it into three, the first half into 3 equal parts, and the other half into 3 equal parts. How many subdivisions are there in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will become our denominator, 6. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3/6. This 1/2, okay, it's not working anymore, so I need to use another whiteboard marker. So I have here another one. So 1/2, and we have 2/4, and we have 3/6. These are equivalent fractions. So, we call them as equivalent fractions. Now, how do you know that they are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions because when you reduce these two other fractions, this will redound to 1/2. So, let us say 2/4. The common divisor is 2, that is 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 1/2. 3/6. What is the common divisor? 3, then 3. We have here 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So they are equivalent fractions, considering that all these named fractions are can be reduced to 1/2. Thank you and good morning. Okay. Another one is, of course, I'll be presenting to you later on about similar fractions. So I will stop to this portion. I will post this one so you continue your viewing later on, as I will present the next part of our review in the given study of fractions.